everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today we are in our Minecarft PC world. So, I've been busy since the last episode, very busy. I have three levels still again. I've been enchanting away, and I've been getting more levels, so I have 33 levels. And yeah. So, I want to show you my enchantment. Oops. Look at that. And then I spent I was getting like tons of enchanted books. I was getting tons of books and then enchanting them so they would have so they would be enchanted books. I ran out of books, so I forget where I put those other extra ones. And wait a minute, where's the dog? Where is he? Where'd he go? Oh, I swear enchanting tables make light. They do. Is there just something not working? Are we supposed to do something? Ooh. I need to fill that in before. Oh. I think we're gonna have to break it and get 3 books. Does this do anything? But I know enchanting tables make light. Okay, so today I wanted to do the firework. So, well, not the firework, but the firework. Okay, so we're going to climb up to our ladder. Oh, there we go. No. Oh my goodness, you're so close. Okay, so we have this ready, and all we're gonna do is, I think, if this would be good, we could probably do that. Darn it. Okay. Oh great, 2, 1, 0. No, I knew it would be one short. Oh great. Teleport to me, please. Yes. I jumped down so I could get the dog to teleport. I am playing in peaceful right now because if you didn't know, last episode I was building an enchantment room. So what we're going to do this episode, I have mobs loot up here, and then I will need, nope, how much? I need 6, 7, 8. There we go. No, oh, I think Eliminator has all. I think Eliminator has all my cobblestone. I know he was doing something with it. Yeah. I'll craft that into sticks. should be a faster way to climb up ladders. I know you're saying probably just... Oh, great. He's up here again. Sit down there. There we go. So that's all done. Oh. Let's do this. I am playing on peaceful piano because I forgot to change it back from the last episode. I was playing in peaceful last episode and yeah. That's weird. Do you see how it rotates every time? Okay, there we go. Okay, so our wheat is all ready. I don't have any shears. I want to build something today. You know what we're going to start doing? We're going to start building a mini game. No, we're not. We're going to get something for it. So I don't know what we're going to do, but we're going to build something in the, Okay, there we go. 57 wheat, that's the same as last time, and 64 and 30 seeds. More wheat than last seeds, I think. Boom, 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 boom. And then we'll go boom, boom. There we go. And then we'll go boom. Oh, it didn't work. Boom, boom, and boom. There we go. Okay. Oh wait, do we have some flour? Let me just run some. Let's cut this tree down. No, faster axe. I know you're saying probably just enchant your axe. You're probably just saying enchant your axe, Nathan. What are you doing? You should be enchanting your axe. I know, I'm sorry. Hey, an egg. That's what we need to build. We need to build a chicken farm later. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 1.9.2. I'm just waiting. Oh, thank you for watching and we'll see y'all later. Bye.